Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajingap kemilenti ke Skul O.M. Roy Memorial Secondary School ban pediang ya umentri ke tanat Ïalehkai uba Shakliar warjri haka program Pynkup Burom ya ki Khynnah Ïalehkai ki balawan rak Burom ya gajela haka ba bun ki lempung Ïalehkai Henry kamsham la orlong nakadaw ba utai umentri ula pentip haka klip mat ka ba khaddu ba omla ban poi syaka ni ka Jingïalang ka balalong haka apundutrik uleber arhaja apusan nakidaw bamla ban kiar Henry lawan mi bujlino daka sports officer ka tanat Ïalehkai ka kong dalin kong lam kom ka kong san bat u district sports officer ka East Khasi Hills uba o mautho uba lawan mi bujli haka jaka u director ka tanat Ïalehkai u Didi Shira kom usembot kong san nakalyang kinong penyat skul kentop ya ka principal ka kong ASM le kila penpau ya ka Diaw mensim halor ka jing bamla ban poi utai menteri namar ha ka jing shisha kidakwa ya ka jing wan yu kejat uba Shakliar ha ka sin ka baning kong hapo ka te ka skul ha ka negasni ka te ka skul ka badan hamaulai kentan masar kala Pynkup Burom ya ki Khynnah Ïalehkai ki bala ban khurta kama ha ka 6 Meghalaya games arhaja apusan kata ha ka jing Ïalehkai karate judo archery bat kiwe La Pynkup Burom ya ka kenhun Ïalehkai football under 15 but under 17 kibalala ban khurnam ladu ha ka Reliance Foundation Youth Sports na kabenta ka Meghalaya lawan ban pencingan lang ha kan dikasni da kinong yalam ka 4 for all academy kumju u football coach ka Sai STC Shillong ki kemi ki kpa jongi Khynnah bat kiwe
and also the student, please give a round of applause for all the winners. Really Grace in Nunlan, gold medal. Jordan June Paryong, bronze medal archery. Amithis Sinha, bronze medal boxing. Silver medal archery. Thank you so proud to have hosted me. M. Mahatlam Khongno, Minam Pindam Khongji. Bajir Thompson, Harvey, Justin Paul Marvin Dongri, Damon Banjir Marshali, and Habilo Notru. And Namde Burom Khynnah. And I am also happy to announce that our school has been holding the winner title of the Reliance Cup tournament from 2017 till date.
This auspicious day, the Lord has shown His way. Come to live together, to His forever. The second for His marvelous gift.
Sports Minister Shri Shakliar Warjari by Indonrakat Bani Hagani ka Janmien ka Pamenta. And unfortunately, Bob Mirayo ya ka Kubor ba imchim dan hakamet ka basyat ka baplan barkalawan dia halai imata umta ti nama jong kita kini baro di la pa ya Madam di Khonglam by the Rakat Bani, to complete she would a man, but ban in a very short time, but ban pendek yang Kamram, now the benta but the chief guest, John Kanika program, John Skul Kajawi.
So you cannot be with us here today to witness this program, felicitation program, conducted and organized by the school authority. So it's a pleasure for me to be part of this program, to felicitate our young boys and girls who had taken part in the programs, sports activities from the Ïalehkai Games 2025, and also a champion team of the Reliance Foundation Youth Sports and Games, both in the under 17 and under 15 boys, winners of 2024 and 25. I would like to thank the principal of the school, who is very active and energetic enough to organize different activities in the school itself. And we also thank the teachers of the school who are very active. And also we have here, I would like to thank our district sports officer who always supported you from time to time. So thank you for his presence, and our dignitaries who are here. I would like to thank each one of you.
Jingïalang expect by sports minister, the director, directorate of sports and youth affairs, the Lang special occasion facilitation program academic school Jami. Kadang persang terma nganamut bamtak ski kedek ski ba ningkong ba sports minister man yu kejar school Jami amba kam Shakliar Diaw ta tinggi kermet way for sports minister unsawan Hima yu kejar school Jami. Dan bok pada kanipur ba officer na directorate of sports and youth affairs Kamlam long special officer of directorate of sports and youth affairs nangta sa moto belong district sport officer Iskazil nangta midon ruiki rangba dong rangba shnong jongpa shnong pembesar pagi Jami berjudul dekat kami haki porbaro pan kerja yani haki program di fair publish itu di kaji dan dekat Juri nantang room don ki kimi ki pa jom ki players all nantang ki kimi ki pa jom ki Khynnah school be Jami ki bala kerja ini khamdap Gimik pa jom di players Jami ni papiyapun ba ilayawan na ki cekak ko per na tip piyawan na ki cekak ki cengay ba but kejimwan ki kamle ta mustang skin re hakine ki ski balade paro hakane ka kumangitip to midon hakane ki ski ban celebrate ya kane ka jingjok Jom Skul haka Reliance Foundation Youth Sport under 15 but under 17 the village games to prepare